Hi everyone, welcome back to the Scrap Zone. I'm Julie and welcome back to the last month of my 52 weeks project. Now, it has been a very exciting year for me and I hope for you too, and this project has definitely kept me scrapbooking throughout the weeks. So I am using, again, the months of the year, and we are going to be using this one right here, which is the month of December. And I don't know if you can see that, but I've already used this one because I've been making tons and tons of cards. So I do keep my scraps, right? Because this is the point of this project. So I've got a few cute little embellishments that I did go ahead and I colored in and I didn't quite use. Like, look how cute that is. That's going to make a really nice title, I'm sure. I've got this one here, a couple of champagne glasses, and a few titles. So I have been using this stamp set for cards, not just for this project. So let's take a look at the last 4 sketches for this project. So we've got 4 here, and I don't know if you remember, but in the month of November, I wasn't sure if I was going to do 5 weeks in November or 5 weeks in December. And I felt that 5 weeks in December was best because when I get to the end, I'm going to end up with a full page at the end of the book. Now, let me show you what I mean by that. So this is volume 1 because by now we know that we need 2. And, oops, upside down. Let me flip this over. So 52 weeks, 2021 edition. When you get to the end of the book, I'm going to have a full page as opposed to, let me find one here, as opposed to a little half page like this. So I thought that it was a really nice way to finish the book. So my book is going to end like this one, but it's going to be December. So I kind of like that. So we are going to start week 48 in the next video. And let's look at some of the scraps I'm going to use for this month. Now again, if you're like me, you've been doing cards, so you probably have tons of Christmas scraps. And this little bag of tricks, I've got little pieces. I'm hoping that it's going to work out. But I am using the Holly and Ivy. Pretty sure that's what it's called. And you can see that I've done some cards here, and I've got little pieces. I've got a nice little thin cut that, I don't know, I guess I cut an extra one. It didn't make it, so maybe I can use it in this project. I've got a lot of glitter paper, so white, gold, my new favorite, Harbor. And you can see that these are real scraps. Like there's, done some poinsettias in red, die cut a few words out of here. So if you've been doing cards, just take out your scraps and put them together because we're going to use them for the month of November. So I'm going to go through this book one last time and show you how far we've gone. So again, starting in January, we went through all of these sketches together, and there's a video for all of these layouts, which was a big project, but I really enjoyed it, and I want to say thank you for all of the support, the beautiful comments that I've received. And you know what? I'm still not sure if I'm going to do 2022 edition. I might, but I know that I'm not going to start the first week of January. I am going to start probably at the end of January. For one, I'm going to take a little bit of a break, not a long one, but I'm also working on documenting all of these sketches so that there's full pictures, there's dimensions, there's references, and it's proven to take in a lot longer than I thought it would. But anyways, I hope that you're still creating this project with me. I know that I've had beautiful comments throughout the year, and I want to say a sincere thank you for all of you. and I will catch you in the next video. Let's get December done, guys. Have yourself a fantastic day.